They say poverty breaks people. But the truth is, confusion breaks people faster. This is not the story of a rich man. This is the story of a village boy who had nothing in his pockets, but one clear goal in his mind. And that goal changed everything. In a small dusty village, there lived a boy named Adam. The village was quiet. Mud houses, broken roads, morning azan echoing in the air, and the sound of roosters waking everyone up. Adam was 17. Thin body, worn-out clothes, old sandals with cracks under them. He lived in a small house with his father, Mr. William. Mr. William had a long white beard, weak legs, and tired eyes. Once, he was strong. Now, age had slowed him down. Every morning, Mr. William sat under the old neem tree near their house, holding prayer beads, looking at the road, silently. Adam noticed that look which said, "I wanted to give you more, my son." Adam worked at a small tea stall in the village market, from morning till evening, washing cups, serving tea, listening to others talk about dreams. One man talked about going to the city. Another talked about money. Someone talked about success. But Adam? He just listened. At night, he returned home tired. His father asked softly, "Son, did you eat?" Adam smiled and lied. "Yes, Dad, at the stall." But many nights, his stomach was empty. Still, he never complained. Adam had dreams. Big dreams. But they were unclear. One day he wanted to study. Another day he wanted to earn fast money. Sometimes he wanted to leave the village. Sometimes he felt stuck. His mind was noisy. Too many thoughts. Too many directions. No clear path. And slowly, that noise made him weak. One evening, Adam sat under the neem tree with Mr. William. An old village uncle, Uncle George, was also there. Uncle George had seen life. Wrinkles on his face. Wisdom in his voice. He looked at Adam and said, "Son, why do you look tired all the time?" Adam replied quietly, "I work hard, Uncle. But nothing changes." Uncle George smiled gently. He said one line that changed everything. "White right pointing backhand index, hard work without direction is just tiredness." Adam felt that line in his chest. Uncle George continued, "A confused mind makes a poor man poorer. A clear goal makes a weak man strong." That night, Adam couldn't sleep. He asked himself one question. What do I really want? Not 10 things. Not many dreams. Just one. After hours of thinking, his answer became clear. White right pointing backhand index education. Not for status. Not for pride. But to change his life and his father's future. That night, Adam made a promise. "I will focus on one goal. No excuses. No distractions." Life did not become easy. But Adam became focused. He woke up earlier. Studied after work. Used old books from the village school. While others rested, he read. While others complained, he learned. When friends laughed at him, he stayed quiet. When he felt tired, he remembered his father's eyes. One day, Mr. William fell sick. No money. No doctor nearby. Adam felt fear for the first time. He almost gave up his studies. Almost. But Mr. William held his hand and said, "Son, don't stop. Your focus is my hope." Those words burned inside Adam's heart. He worked harder. Months later, Adam appeared for a small scholarship test in the city. He was nervous. Simple clothes. No confidence. But his mind was calm. Because he had one goal. Weeks passed. One afternoon, a letter arrived. Adam opened it with shaking hands. He read it once. Then again. Tears rolled down his face. He had passed. Scholarship approved. He ran to his father. Mr. William cried silently, holding his son close. That neem tree had seen sadness for years. That day, it saw hope. Years later, Adam returned to the village. Not rich, not famous, but strong, confident, clear-minded. He repaired his house, took care of his father, helped other village children study. Uncle George smiled proudly. Let me ask you something. Are you tired? Or are you just confused? You don't need 10 goals. You don't need motivation every day. You need one clear goal. Because when your mind is disciplined, your life follows. Master your mind. Choose one direction. And watch how everything changes. If this story touched your heart, like it. Share it with someone who feels lost. And tell me in the comments. What is the one goal you will focus on today? Your answer might change your life.